वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रं नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुं मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते. So up to now what we have seen is the teacher saying to the student that the Atma is beyond the three things. He said the Atma is beyond the three shariras, the Stula Sharira, gross body, Sukshma Sharira, subtle body, and Karna Sharira, causal body, that we have seen. And we also saw what those shariras were in detail. Then he said that the Atma is beyond the states. Three states, he said, Jagrat, Swapna, and Sushupti. So what was the Jagrat Avastha, the waking state, where the body is engrossed with the sense organs and it is seeing, smelling, hearing, etc. So it is engaged with the sense organs. So this we call the Jagrat Avastha or the waking state. Then the Swapna Avastha or the dream state, where impressions are formed or we live stories based on what we have done in the waking state. So this is known as the dream state. And then the Sushupti Avastha or the deep sleep state, which is the state of not knowing. Only thing we know is I slept very well after we woke up. So this is the deep sleep state. So three names were given for the Jiva in these states. So for the Jagrat Avastha, it was called the Vishwa. For Swapna Avastha, it was called the Tejasa. And for the Sushupti Avastha, it was known as the Prajna. So the teacher said that the Atma is beyond this and he explained this. Now we have to see about the koshas. So the teacher said that the Atma is also beyond the koshas. So now we are going to see what these koshas are. I'll start from there only. Question is like this. Panchakoshas. Panchakosha ke अन्नमयः प्राणमयः मनोमयः विज्ञानमयः आनन्दमयश्चेति. First the question was asked, Pancha Koshaha Ke. So Pancha means 5, Koshaha means the sheath or the layer K. Who or what is it? Like that the student asked the teacher, for which the teacher replied, it is these 5. So Annamayaha, Anna means food. Maya means usually it is full of. But here it will refer to whatever has manifested from food. So Annamaya. So it has come from food. Pranamaya. So prana means the vital force or the prana or the breath. Maya. So it is the made up of or consisting of this. So this sheath is consisting of prana. Then Manomaya. Mano means the mind. Maya means it is consisting of the or made up of the mind. This sheath is made up of the mind. Vijnanamaya. Vijnana means intellect. So Maya means this is made of the intellect. This sheath is made up of the intellect, wisdom, discrimination, etc. Then Anandamaya. Ananda means bliss and Maya means made of. So this is the most subtlest sheath. So cha means and iti is used at the end of the list to say thus. Okay, so this was the answer given by the teacher. So Pancha Koshaha Ke. What are the 5 senses? For which the teacher replied Annamayaha, Pranamayaha, Manomayaha, Vijnanamayaha, Anandamayash Jeti. These are the food sheath, the vital energy sheath, the mental sheath, the intellect sheath, and the bliss sheath. So kosha actually, what does it mean? It is basically a wheel. It wheels you from recognizing the Atma. It wheels you from realizing you are this Atma. So it is a wheel actually. The 3 shariras, the Stula, Sukshma and the Karana Sharira can be divided into these 5 koshas. It is either you can use the lingo of the sheaths or you can use the lingo of the shariras to describe anything apart from the Atma. Annamaya. So just the food sheath we will see. Annamayaha kaha. So what is this Annamaya sheath is the question. The answer is given. Anna rasenaiva bhutva anna rasenaiva vriddhim prapya anna rupa prithivyam yad viliyate taddannamayaha koshaha stula shariram. So this long answer is given. but it's actually very simple. Anna rasenaiva. Anna means food, we know. Rasenaiva, by the essence of food alone, bhutva, having come into being. It is formed by this food. Anna rasenaiva, by the essence of food alone. Vriddhim prapya, it has grown because of food only. Vriddhi means growth. Prapya, it has gained the growth because of food. Anna rupa prithivya. Anna rupa prithivya means it is again going back into this earth, which is again consisting of food because of the five elements. Anna rupa prithivyam yat viliyate. It merges or dissolves. After a person dies, it dissolves into this five bhutas. So it dissolves into this. Yat annamayaha koshaha. This is the annamaya sheath. Stula shariram. So this is the gross of the physical body. In other words, you can describe it as a stula shariram or the gross body. So this has been said. So annamayaha kaha anna rasenaiva bhutva anna rasenaiva vriddhim prapya anna rupa prithivya yadviliyate tadannamayaha koshaha stula shariram. So it is nothing but this stula sharira which has the essence, that is, it has come into being because of food, it is growing because of food, and it dissolves also into the earth, which is food. So this is what has been said here.